Hello guys, this is Remedy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a tax earning website with Laravel. So this is a complete investment system script, full demo. I'm going to show you how to build a full tax earning investment website using Laravel. This is a full demo. So you're going to learn, what you're going to see in this video is this tax earning investment website with wallet system, referral commission, combo plans, and tax approval, right? So we have from here now you can see this is the tax menu. This is where you see all the tax. You know what basically what a tax this thing means. Admin create tax and users subscribe to the tax and do the tax to earn money. So if they want to earn higher money, they will subscribe to plans. So this is some of the tasks in the website. All right, you see some of the tasks in the website. You see once this kind of this one is to share our posts on Facebook. Visit Facebook, find a latest pin post, click and share and see and set visibility to public. In your share caption, tag 2 of your friends. This is a task. So once you've completed this task, it's either you create a video of it or you take images of how you completed it or the PDF, and you are going to what? Upload the proof of this thing and you submit. So once admin approves it, you're going to earn money based on the completion. Now this plan, this if you want to earn more higher, that means you need to subscribe to a plan. All right, so there are a lot of plans. We have a $10 plan that if you subscribe you will earn more, you will earn $0.2. There's one you earn 0. Admin can create different plans. For this you can create a plan where you subscribe to it, maybe $1,000 plan where you subscribe to it, you'll be earning $1,000 per plan. So this one now, this tax now is the tax per, this one is normal tax. If you do, you earn $0.2 or $0.8. But if you want to earn more, you subscribe to the combo plan. That's where the tax this thing is. This is where to add funds. All right, so before you subscribe, maybe you will add funds to subscribe, because it's a tax-based investment website. You are going to do a tax and you earn based on the tax you do. All right, that's the caption here. You do a tax and earn based on the tax you do. All right, so you copy wallet address, add proof of payment here, and submit. All right, so I'm going to show you fully how this thing works. All right, this is the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, you can select a system that you want to withdraw, and you can put amount you want to withdraw and submit withdrawal. All right, so they say I cannot withdraw because I've not done KYC, so I need to come here and do my KYC. All right, begin KYC, and I will put my name, put my details, and start my KYC. Right, so I want to show you all the features. Right, now when you come to the dashboard, you will see the account balance, what you've earned, and the balance you have, the total earning. All right, your total bonus, referral, like is a referral based tax system, right? So I have a one pending tax that I just do that will earn me $0.2. Now if I will show you the admin, so I'm not currently in any plan. In how it works is that from admin, let me show you the admin. Let me go and show you the admin. Right, so this is the admin. All right, you will see manage user, you see task. This is where you list all the tasks users can do. You can delete a task, edit a task. All right, this is where you edit a task. This is the reward amount. This is the max daily slots for this task. That's the number of slots this task can take in a day. All right, this is the reward. You can change the reward, like if you're editing it, you can change the reward and you can make it active or inactive. You can create a new task. Admin can create as many tasks as he wants and put the reward price he wants. All right, you can see task submission, task submitted. Now currently this is the task I have submitted, this particular task. This is the task I've submitted, so I'm going to approve this task. All right, so I'm going to approve this task. If I approve this task, you see that I will earn the person that submitted it is going to earn $0.83, right? So let me look at it now. Look at that. You know, here now my total earning was this. So if I refresh now, you see that I have earned $0.83 for this task. Look at it, I've earned it. It will be added to my what? To my balance here. All right. So I can perform 20 tasks. I have performed only one of 20 tasks this year and now. So more, if I want to earn more, like the tasks I did gave me 0.83. If I subscribe to combo plans, all right, if I subscribe to combo plan, there's a combo plan like this one. If I subscribe to this $25, it will multiply my tax this thing by 1.2x. So if the tax that I earn 0.35 per task, I'm going to earn 1.2. That means up to 3.5 per day after the task. So if I subscribe to this task, instead of earning 0.83, it will multiply that 1.2 and that's 0.83 by 1.2. So I'm going to earn 1.2. So the admin can create a lot of plans. Users can subscribe. This one increases the money I make by 1.5 if I'm subscribed to this plan. All right. This is how this tax-based system works. So it's a very, very robust system. So let me show you the admin. These are my available tasks. This is the available task. These are available tasks, right? So let me show you. Let me go back to the admin and show you what I'm showing you. So here now you see list of tasks. You see list of tasks. This list of tasks, you can create a new task by clicking on this new task here, and you add the title and short description, full instruction. All right, the amount the person will earn after doing this task, the number of slots. If you want it to be unlimited, just leave it blank. All right, so you can say put a thumbnail of the screenshot of the task. All right, now this is the manage user. When you click on manage user, you see all the users here. All right, so you will see this is the currently the account balance, tax earning, and every other thing, whether approved or not approved. All right, so here now we can credit a user. We can credit this user or debit his profit or earning, account balance, select type credit, and credit the user. Okay, so we've credited that user. We can do a whole lot of things. We can add transaction history, block the user, send email to the user, add referral to the user. We can do some sheets on that place. Here we create a combo plan. Now I told you that this is a tax-based investment website. So for the user to earn more, that means they need to subscribe to plans. All right, they need to deposit and subscribe to plan. This is the new combo. You can create a new combo, right? So here now you put the combo's name, the plan entry, the plan listing, everything about the combo. We are going to put the tax per day, like the tax per day. All right, the tax base earning, what the person will earn, the multiplier, whether it's by 2. All right, whether it should multiply what the user should earn by 2 or this thing 3. The multiplier is based on tax earning, right? So this is the tax. You can add tax-based plan, right? So this is the investment users make. When user makes investment, this is the place you see it. It's either you delete it or you process it, or you can view it. All right, you can view it and see the proof of the payment. Okay, so here now you see the proof of payment. This is the admin of this tax-based system. All right, so you can approve it and see the what's it called, the proof of payment. All right, so why is this thing loading so slow? It's my network or what? All right, so you will see here now, you see all withdrawals made by users. If there is a withdrawal made by user, you see it here. These are the KYC, where you see the KYC made by users. All right, this is the email services. All right, so this is the email service. This is all about the admin. So you can create a task here. You can create a task of your choice. You can create as many tasks as you want. All right, so in the admin, if you look at the history, you see all the deposits we've made, the one that is spending, our withdrawal. You don't have any withdrawals. Others, this one is tax earning, this thing we did, right? Per plan combo we did, and a whole lot of things. All right, so this is a tax. We have to share push. This is the tax we made. This is the plan we purchased. You see the history there. All right, we can transfer funds to users, right? So let's suppose we have somebody like Eva. Let's say that we have this. If we know the email of the person, we can, let's say, transfer $50 to the person, and we put our, that's the same user in the account. We put our password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we put our password here, transfer. If that user exists, if you log into the user's account, you will see that we have transferred funds. It has reduced. We've removed 50. So this is the refer and earn program. You can copy the referral link, give to your person, and you see your downliners here. You see what they have earned. All right, this is the help center. Here now you can make a complaint and all that. So this comes with a dark and light mode, right? So if you don't prefer the light mode, you can turn on the dark, or you can turn on the this mode. You see the notification system there. Now you see the profile settings. So this is the profile settings. This is where you add your withdrawal addresses, your account number for withdrawal. This is where you change your password and a whole lot of things. So I'm going to show you how to host this thing. It's very easy for you to host this thing. So once you get this script from me, it's not actually free. So you get it at a price. So if you want, you can DM me on my WhatsApp number. You see my WhatsApp number in the description below, or you see it on the screen. So what do you need to host this kind of website? For you to host this website, for you to host and get this website, you're going to need one, the script. We've built everything out for you, so you're going to need the script. Once you get the script, you're going to need a domain name and a cPanel. Now there's issue of your domain name being killed usually, so I advise people to get domain name from this company called Dynadot. So once you get your domain name from Dynadot, so you can get a hosting company called Azura Hosting, right? You can get an Azura hosting domain hosting. Then point your domain to this name chip and to this Azura hosting this thing, and you can host there. So I'm not going to go through those process now. I'm not going to go through the process. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to make video of how you can go through those process to buy domain here and point to this place. But for now, I'm going to go ahead. I will assume that you've gotten your domain. I've gotten your cPanel. I'm going to go ahead and host it. So currently now, I have a subdomain called tax.sbrut.trading. So I'm going to host this stuff here. All right, so I have it currently on, so I'm going to show you how to host it. So once you've gotten the script, what you need to do now is to upload the script. So you click on upload. All right, you click on upload, click on file, then scroll down to where the script. Once you contact me, you're going to get the script. I'm going to send you a link to download it to your system. So this is what you get once you get it. So this is a tax-based distance. So once you do it, you upload. All right, we are uploading it. All right, see, it's uploading. So the next thing we are going to do is to create a database. So we are going to create a database. So how do we create a database? Go back to your cPanel home menu, sir. When you get back to your cPanel menu, come to database, come to the database wizard here. When you come to the database wizard, click on it. So it's loading currently. I don't know why this thing is slow these days. So it's loading. Why this one is uploading? This one is 23%. So we are waiting for it to. So we are doing two base tasks now. As we are waiting for this, we are still waiting for this. So we are going to create a database. Let's call that database D task. All right. So we are going to call it D task, right? So we are creating a database. So we've called the database dtask. So we're still going to call the username dtask. All right. So we're going to generate a password. Let's generate a password. We use this password that's automatically generated for us. Copy it. Then say we have copied. Then use password. All right. So we create. So the password you copied. Let me put it somewhere here. Let me put it somewhere here so that we don't forget it. So we're going to put the password we copied here. All right, we are going to need it, even the name. Let's copy it. We use the same name and the same database name, right? So we click on next. Let's copy these things out. All right, so we've created the database, and while this thing is still uploading, it's still on tax base 68%. We're still going to come here, click on the cPanel menu so that it takes us to the cPanel home. Then we are going to scroll down to where the database section again. We're going to click my PHP admin, my admin. Click on it. All right, so it's loading. All right, so you click on my PHP, my admin. What we are going to do next is to import the database. You are going to import the database to the SQL file. Sorry, you are going to import the SQL file to the database you've created. All right, so that's what we're doing next. All right, so while this thing is taking a while, let's see whether this thing, okay, still going. Okay, still going. Let's see. Let's go back to our database. So it has opened. So once you click on the database now, you see a whole lot of database you've created before. So you look at the one we created recently that is called the D task. That's what you look at. You click on it. If it's a new cPanel, you might not see all these things. You only see the one you've created. So, but if you have a lot of files, a lot of script inside the cPanel, because of me, this is my cPanel demo. I have a whole lot of sites here. All right, so you click on the name you created. I use the same username and this thing, and click on import. All right, then click on this choose now. You click on it, so it opens you to the space where this thing is. Select the database, this SQL source file. This is what you select. Don't select the compressed file. The compressed file is for the public underscore HTML folder. So we select the SQL file and we import. All right, so we are importing the database. We are importing the database. So as the database is important, it has been fully imported. Very good, it has been fully imported. So as we have fully imported the database, we have fully uploaded the zip file, which is of size 67. So what we need to do is go back to our cPanel, the part we have uploaded it, reload. So we are going to see this file we have uploaded. If it's a new cPanel, you need to come to settings and click on check this show hidden files, that the one that will show .files and save, right? So what you need to do is to right click on this our file, click on what extract, then click on extract files. So it will start extracting the files. All right, it will start extracting the files for you. The file has fully extracted. Once it has been fully extracted, right click on this, click on edit.env file. That's what you right click on. Right click on the .env file, click on edit, and click on edit again. So now you will see here is the app name. You put your app name there. The most important thing you need to do is to set up the database. We copied out some files for the database, right? We copied out the database name. This is the database name. We copied it out. So we copy it and we come here where we see the investors. This one, remove it and replace it with the name we've created. We still use the same name with the DB username, so we're going to put the DB username there. Then the DB password, we are going to put the DB password there as well. So let's put the DB password. All right, so let's put it. So once we've done this, the site will be up. So we can, this app name here, you can change it to the name of your website. You can put it investment base, tax base investment website. All right, so we just put the name there, and this site is up already. So what we need to do now is, mind you, it must run on PHP 8.1. so we copy the link. You can open now the link here now. All right, let's open the link. All right, so it's on, right? So a user can now create a new account. you can create a new account. Let's say we want to create a new account. We can create a new account. Let's say we want to create a new account. 1, 2, 3. So we put the password. All right, so put the password again. We check the security question, which is 13 plus 5, which is 18. So this is to avoid both from attacking the website, so we can create an account. So you will get a message, right? So once you do this, you create an account. So but the most important thing is not creating an account, is to go and set it up from admin. All right, so we need to go to admin and set up. This is a newly hosted website, so we need to go to admin and set up this website, put the name properly, everything, put the logo and everything, set up SMTP. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to admin. This is the admin link. So we're going to put the admin details. All right, so this is the admin. We are now in the admin. We are now trying to log into the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, right? Now once you come to the admin dashboard, you click on settings, click on app settings, right? Now this is a place you put the name of your website, put the title you want it to have, put the website keyword, put your website URL here, put the description of your website here. This is the announcement you want to be shown on the website. All right, message you want new registered user to have, all these things. So here now you're going to create your logo. You're going to create your logo and upload it. So once you create a logo and upload it, after everything, you can click on save and save the website and save the settings. All right, it has been saved successful. Come over here. Here now you're going to put contact email you want. All right, if you don't want that math capture, you can turn it on. If you want KYC to be used, you turn KYC on or off. So there is 2 ways KYC can be turned. If you want KYC immediately after registration, they should do KYC. If not, they cannot log to their dashboard after registration. So you turn this one on if you want it on. Email verification, same thing, you can enable or disable it, right? Okay, so let's say here now, the email capture, email/Google capture, this is a place you want to send email. So it's automatical on SMTP. There is one called send mail. This one does not require any form of settings, but if you are using SMTP, you require settings. So here now you're going to go to your admin. You're going to go to your admin here, come to email. All right, so I'm going to show you how to set up the SMTP. Okay, so we are going to come the email and set up SMTP. So let's say we set up SMTP, let's say we call it let's say we call it contacts, because I have contact already. So we generate password, copy the password, then save. All right, so I want to show you how to set up SMTP. So the password I copied, I will put it in password. Sorry, the email I created, I called it contact, so I'm going to copy the email. What did I call contacts? All right, because I have contact, that's why I add s to it. So I'm going to add the email here. The name I want this thing to be, I'll put the name there. All right, so I will put, normally many hosting uses mail.domain name, right? Like the domain name now is SBRT. Let me remove this contact. Sorry, I pasted that there. And the port is 465. All right, you port for most of these servers are 465 unless they state otherwise. The SMT encryption is SSL. All right, sorry, SSL. And the username, the SMTP username is something with the email, that's contact support, and the password. So you go ahead and save. All right, so it has been saved successfully. Okay, it's been saved successfully. You can come to the tax settings. You can put the default tax someone can do per day. So you can change it. You can put the default earning they can make. You can either increase it or reduce it, and you can save the settings. All right. Now we'll come back to the payment method. This is the referral bonus. This is the referral bonus settings. Direct referral, their commission; indirect referral, their commission; indirect referral. Other bonuses, registration bonus, you can put it; deposit bonus, you can put it. So the referral system, so it has a direct, indirect, it has a 6-level referral commission system. So you can set the referral system there. All right, so we come to the payment settings. All right, here in the payment settings, we can create a new payment method. Put the name, put the amount, put the minimum amount, put the logo. For if it's currency, if it's crypto, we can put the logo, put the wallet address. All right, you can see the ones we have already. Look at this. This is a payment method. All right, so you see how it was set. You put your wallet address there and you save. Okay, so you can also go to the about the script. Click about the script. You will see everything about the script. It will tell you how to use the script. Here now we've listed out how to use the script for you here, so you can go through and read it. So if you get the script, you can also visit our website or join our Telegram. Click on here to visit our website to see more of our scripts. All right, so you visit remedycodes.com and you're going to see virtually all of our scripts. So we're going to make a whole lot of videos of our script, but you can visit our website here to see our most of our site. This is remedycodes.com, right? You see we have a whole lot of websites we've created, all right, for you. We have the real estate, QFS, Tesla, virtually a whole lot of them, even the profession email system. All right, so we have a whole lot of them. You can get it from us. All right.